I started a videography business 1 year ago. In this time, I've been able to collect and test a whole bunch of different types of microphones. In this video, I'm going to go over 3 different types of microphones and when to use it in your video. So when I'm trying to capture the highest quality audio for my video, I'm going to use a condenser microphone. This type of microphone is built to capture high quality audio just in the surrounding space around the microphone. That means if I step too far away or if I go somewhere else, then it's not going to be able to pick up that audio very well. The condenser microphone is going to be plugged directly into my computer, and then I'm going to use a program like Audacity to make sure I capture that audio. To make sure I have the highest quality audio, I'm going to make sure that my door's closed, that I turn off any fans, air purifiers, any heaters that are around, anything that's kind of making some noise. I really want to reduce that as much as possible. But the issue with this microphone is that I'm locked down to this space right here. Literally just this space. Not only does my microphone need to be connected to my computer, so if I want to switch rooms, I have to bring my whole computer set up. But if I just step even a couple feet away from my microphone, it's probably not going to capture the audio as well as when I'm right next to it. And that absolutely disappears the second I step across. So if I wanted to change locations for my video, I would have to end up taking down all of my video equipment, all of my computer, all my microphones and all that, and set it up in a completely separate room. That's just not super efficient for my videos.
So if you're looking for something a little bit easier, a little bit more portable than the condenser microphone, you might like to try out a shotgun microphone. These microphones sit right on top of your camera. These microphones are really compact and really versatile, but they're still able to capture really high quality audio. What this mic's going to do is it's going to pick up any audio in the direction that it's facing. So this is perfect anytime that you're recording a subject and you need to record their audio with it. Anytime the subject is actually in the camera, like this talking head video here, this is a great opportunity to use a shotgun microphone. Even in TVs and movies, they'll still use a shotgun microphone, but they'll mount it up on a tripod and try and get it a little bit closer to subjects. That way then they're still able to capture really high quality audio. The biggest issue you face when you're using a shotgun microphone is when you start to turn away from the microphone. If I were to walk a couple feet that way, or let's say I turn around and I want to write something on this whiteboard, then I'm sure that the audio is significantly worse than what it was when I was actually facing the camera.
This is where our next microphone comes into play. This is called a lav mic. Really, if you're a little bit more dynamic of a filmmaker, if you like to move around and you talk, you like to kind of get out of your shot, you don't want to sit in one place while you're talking to a camera, then this is the microphone for you. A lav microphone is a super compact, tiny microphone that your subject's going to have placed on them somewhere on their body. Then the microphone's going to move around with the person so that it captures high quality audio no matter what way they turn. So if I decide to turn towards the whiteboard and actually write something on it, well, you're still going to hear super high quality audio because the microphone has not left where it is compared to my mouth. These microphones have become super popular with the TikTok era of interview style TikToks, where people just walk around holding these. What's great about these is that you can really place it anywhere on your subject. It can be on their collar, on their hat, on their glasses, anywhere that's just in the general vicinity of their mouth. Then you're gonna get super high quality audio no matter where you go. The biggest drawback with a lav mic is that oftentimes the microphone's gonna show up in your shot. This isn't a big deal for most creators and videographers, but if you're making a movie, then the viewer might be pulled out of the plot if they see a big black square on your character's shirt. To work around this, some filmmakers will attach the microphone on the inside of their shirt or actually tape it to a character's chest. This is something that you also see in interviews and stuff like that, but it can still cause issues. So, which type of microphone is best? Well, there's a reason that I have all of them. It's because each of them are great in their own unique way and they each have their own use cases. So the real question is, what types of videos are you trying to create? If you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe down below. You might like to check out this video up here. Goodbye!